In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide background in LibreOffice Impress. First, launch LibreOffice Impress on your computer. This works the same whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and the steps are consistent across recent versions. Once Impress is open, either create a new presentation or open an existing project you want to update. If you're starting fresh, a blank slide is perfect for seeing the background changes clearly. Make sure you're looking at the normal editing view so you can click directly on the slide canvas. To open the background controls, you have two easy options that do the same thing. You can right-click on an empty area of the slide, avoid clicking on text boxes or images, and choose Slide Properties. Or, if you prefer the menu bar, go to the slide menu at the top and select Slide Properties there. Both paths open the same dialog. In the dialog box, switch to the Background tab. This is where you control how the slide's background looks. You'll see several fill types, and each one gives you a different style and level of control. Choose color if you want a clean, solid background. Pick a swatch from the palette that matches your theme. Solid colors are great for readability and for building contrast with text and charts. Choose Gradient to blend two or more colors smoothly. Gradients can add depth without being distracting. Subtle, low-contrast gradients usually look more professional than harsh transitions. Choose Bitmap or Image to use a picture. You can select a preset texture or import your own image file. For best results, use a high-resolution image that fits your slide's aspect ratio and avoid busy photos behind important text. If the image offers tiling or stretching options, pick the one that keeps the picture sharp without distortion. Choose Pattern or Hatch for geometric or lined backgrounds. These can create a technical or understated look. Keep patterns light so your content remains the focus. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the background. If Impress asks whether you want to apply the change to all slides, click No to update only the current slide. That keeps the change local and prevents altering the rest of your deck. If you later decide you want a deck-wide update, you can repeat the process with that option or adjust your master slides. And that's it. You've customized your slide background quickly and cleanly with options that fit different presentation styles.